back to my channel. It's your girl Mika. Today, y'all, we just gonna be having a chill day in my life. And right now, I'm at the house. I just came back from McDonald's and I had got a McChicken and with cheese on it. And then I got me an iced coffee right here. But I put some Snickers stuff in it, Snickerdoodle creamer in it. It tastes real good. We got Bay right here. You said, what's wrong with your controller?
Broke.
You sure that's the right controller? That you didn't turn in the old one?
What's the right one? Get the damn camera in my face.
Don't be so rude. But yeah, somebody told me to vlog with the back camera instead of the front camera, so I'm trying to vlog with the back camera to see the difference in the quality. So yeah, let me tell y'all a little story. This morning when I went to McDonald's, right? On the app it said that they is serving breakfast until 11 o'clock, but when I got there, they canceled our order because we did an order for pickup and they canceled it, so I had to go through the drive-thru. And I was thinking I'm gonna get me a sausage egg McGriddle or a big breakfast, two big breakfasts and a sausage egg McGriddle for my son. And guess what? They had their lunch menu up. I was so mad. I'm like, really? And then I wanted to get me a frappe, but their machine was down because they had to do some cleaning or whatever. And then I had got me this iced coffee. I'm just so mad because I was just like, ooh, I want me some breakfast so bad. And I get up here and it's lunchtime. That's a shame. But right now I'm just watching Bay play this game. We playing Wukong. So yeah, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. Happy Vlogtober Day 21. And yeah, subscribe to the channel. We made 500 subscribers to us. And yeah, let's see what else we're gonna get into today. What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Mika, and today, you guys, we are shopping for some household supplies, and also I am getting my little cousin her birthday gift today, which I already got. We got to shop for some paper towels, some toilet paper, some detergent, some hand soap, and some dish soap. So I'm in the detergent aisle already, but first let me grab this tissue. Let's see. Dang, these paper towels cost $7. Okay, hold on, y'all. Let me grab this stuff and I'll come right back. Grab some toilet paper. Now we're looking for the cheapest of the cheapest, okay? Because y'all know how high everything is now. $6. Tissue. Okay. Excuse me, can you take this off? y'all, so we got everything. We got everything. We're gonna go to Dollar Tree so we can put her stuff in the bag. We're gonna go to Dollar Tree to put her stuff in the bag because I just feel like that's just so ghetto. You know, I didn't get to get her nothing for her birthday, but this is her gift, so I want it to be presentable. Alright. Got that stuff in the trunk. We're gonna leave this cart right here and I'm gonna see y'all at Dollar Tree. We don't go nowhere. Alright, y'all. Sorry that I didn't come back to y'all, but we never made it to Dollar Tree. I just took the stuff over there to her house. But she was very appreciative. She loved it, and I'm so happy that she loved it. I didn't get to record or anything because I was just too excited to give her the gift and everything like that. So, yeah, if y'all enjoyed this little video, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, turn on that post notification bell so you'll be notified every time I upload. Thank y'all for watching this video, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace!